I'd rather die than work a 9 to 5. In this video, I'm going to go over the number one way to get out of your 9 to 5. If you're watching this video, then somehow, some way, YouTube felt the need to put this in front of your face. Based off what you've searched in the past, based off what you've watched in the past, etc., etc. There's one way to get out of working your 9 to 5. Content creation. If you're watching this video right now, you have a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube channel, that is all you need to make the content that you need. Why? Because whatever you're watching this video on, my video, you are watching it either through a phone or with a laptop or with a computer, right? All things that can make content. Now, you don't have to record everything that you do in person, right? You can make videos as well. Just making videos will get you in a very, very comfortable position to where you could just be yourself. Okay? I worked a 9 to 5. I worked many 9 to 5s in my lifetime. And I'll never do it again. Right? Someone telling me when I can go to the restroom, go on break, all that, I'm not with it. If you checked out my other video, okay, part 1, you'll understand that I don't do that. Okay, I don't do that. And my channel, Hustle Academy, is dedicated to helping everyone who comes across this channel and getting them into a position where all they have to do is record their day-to-day life. Because that is the content right there. Recording your day-to-day life. Whatever you're doing, that's your content right there. Now, you can come up with different types of content, of course. All right? But understand, just you recording your day-to-day and how you do it, sometimes it's more than what you do, right? If you're just recording it, right, you're not talking, you're just recording it, it might go off, or it might not. You have to understand your audience, and you have to understand what you're really good at, what you could do on a day-to-day basis that pretty much is going to get the job done. I post lives, videos, shorts, etc. to help everyone who comes across my channel, so they understand that I can do it too. I don't have to work a 9 to 5. Okay? I don't have to work a 9 to 5. I can just create content based on what I've been doing and get paid really good money. Now, I coach people, right? And I help people many different ways. But I really try to help people with content creation and creating videos, right? Because I think that's the number one way for beginners and anyone to really succeed in life. Because the easiest thing you could do and the best thing you could do is just be you, right? By creating content off of that, I mean, that's just easy peasy, right? You just record you. And I found a way to boost your channel, right? Boost your success. And that is with vidIQ. If you don't know what vidIQ, I'm going to drop a link below. vidIQ is an AI technology that I use with my channel, and that I use to help look at other channels and compare other channels and look at my numbers more in detail. And it's amazing. Give me ideas. It helps me bring in 90% of my clientele when they talk about curb painting and coaching. 90%, that's huge. Okay, the other 10% is me doing outside events. Okay, and so I can't stress that enough, that YouTube should be the big picture. YouTube is the big picture, right? And you're not going to beat AI technology. And since we're just now getting into it, you might as well, you know what I'm saying, get hip and get used to using AI technology. And because it's only going to bring you more subscribers, more watch hours, more success with your channel. All right. If anyone is watching this video and they're thinking about doing and they're starting up a curb painting business, I have a link for that as well. So I'll be posting both those links. Link number 1 would be for vidIQ. Link number 2 would be for starting your own personal curb painting business. I try to help out the best way I can. Okay, and I truly believe the best 2 ways of earning money is YouTube. And if you're talking about in person and you're talking about making money today, like immediately, curb painting. Okay. There's other hustles that you could do based off your location, right? That's why I always say location. Okay, I say it 3 times every time because it does really matter. Location matters. Depends on what you can do. Not everybody can do what you can do based off your location, based off of your resources, what you have. So you just gotta go off of do what you can do and then be consistent with that. That is what you can do. Do what you can do what you've been doing, but be more consistent with it. You already been doing it, so now be more consistent with it. Okay, if you're watching this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay, it helps this video so much. If you have any questions, please drop your questions below. I answer your questions the best I can. I try to make all my videos Q&A, so if you got questions, drop that question in the comment section and I get back to you. But definitely the most important thing you can do for yourself is sub up to the channel. I post daily lives, videos, shorts, all that good stuff. Help you guys out. It's completely free. Okay, completely free. And we're just getting started. Okay, I got a lot of plans that I plan on executing on, and I plan on creating content for and showing you guys because I made some moves. I made some moves this past week or so, and yeah, you guys are going to really like what I got for you guys. Okay, but I can't stress it enough. If you're watching this video, YouTube showed you this video for a reason. You need to get out of that 9 to 5. I've never been so upset with my life and anxious in my life when I was working a 9 to 5. It just blows my mind, especially when I got people giving me orders when I'm like, I don't respect you enough to be giving me orders. I don't respect you enough to be giving me orders, yet somehow we're in this position. I don't want no one else to feel that way. That's why I provide these courses and these coachings and pretty much this channel. Okay. I'm truly financial free, and I want everybody to be financial free. Everybody can eat is enough for everybody. It's enough for everybody. Okay. Now understand when I say quit your 9 to 5, I mean be prepared quitting your 9 to 5. Okay. Don't just quit and have no idea what I'm going to do the very next day. Okay. Have an idea and then quit the 9 to 5 is what I'm saying. Okay. It'd be ridiculous to quit the 9 to 5 and not have no plan after that, no type of structure, no idea, okay? But I can tell you this, if you're watching this video, content creation should be on your agenda every single day, because you can at least be consistent at what you've been doing every single day. That's at least you could do, okay? At least. I plan on inspiring, encouraging as many people as possible. And if you're watching this video and you work in that 9 to 5, understand there is a way out. If you're going through hell, keep going. Peace.